the largest tornado ever recorded. In the heartland of Oklahoma, on May 31, 2013, the small city of El Reno was about to face a monstrous force of nature. With winds reaching over 295 miles per hour, the El Reno tornado quickly became one of the largest and most powerful tornadoes ever recorded. This tornado was particularly notable for its immense size, with a width of 2.6 miles, making it the widest tornado ever recorded. Despite its incredible power, the El Reno tornado caused relatively few fatalities, mainly because it traveled through rural areas. However, it did claim the lives of 9 people, including 3 storm chasers.